Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 DirectX Crash Error. Alright, let's go straight ahead to the steps. First thing that you need to do here is to go ahead and open up the game settings and go to quality settings. Alright, now once you're in here, locate the option VRAM scale target. If yours is set to 60 plus, alright, or 61, 62 or plus, just go ahead and lower it down and set it to 60 or below. Again, 60 or below. Once done, close the settings, try to enter a match, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, don't worry, I still have plenty of options here for you. Just go ahead and go to your search bar right here. If you're using a PC, type in system updates. All right. Once the system setting pops up, just go ahead and click on it to open this system update section. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on check for updates. If you can see available updates right here, just go ahead and install those, restart the computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go to your search bar again and type in device manager. As you can see here, the control panel pops up. Just go ahead and click on it to open the device manager. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and locate display drivers and locate your respective graphics card right here. Right click on it, update driver, and simply select search automatically for drivers. Wait for the process to finish. Again, restart the computer, try to boot up the game again and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, update your graphics card drivers via its software. For example, here I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app, or it is once before called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Click on it. All right. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your graphics card. If you have already installed the latest drivers, try to at least reinstall. You might want to try to reinstall the drivers. All right. Once done, again, restart the computer, boot up the game again, and see if it helps. Now, the last option here, which fixes most issues about DirectX, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX. Hit enter. You should be able to see the Microsoft DirectX right here. Just click on it. All right. Or if you want, don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on the download button right here, and the download page will pop up. Just go ahead and start the download. And as you can see here, it is done. Hit on open. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. All right. And simply follow the simple prompts right here. All right. Next, and install. Once the installation is done, restart your computer, boot up the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.